Shelter to village settlement. Shelter, seasonal camps, village settlement, shelter. In the fifth lesson, we saw that the Neanderthals lived mainly in caves. At that time, the climate in Europe was extremely cold. The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperature because they wore leather clothing and made use of fire. Perhaps that was not enough. That is why they used animal hides to erect tents in the caves for warmth whenever necessary. They also built huts in the open, seasonal camps. In the Middle Stone Age, groups of Homo sapiens had established camps all over the world. At that time, the climate was getting warmer everywhere. The environment was changing, and with it, the diet of Homo sapiens was also undergoing changes. By this time of the Middle Stone Age, big animals like mammoths were on the way to extinction due to the changing environment and also because they were hunted on a very large scale. That is why Homo sapiens had largely turned to fishing. He also began to depend more on hunting smaller animals like the wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep. The diet pattern change enabled the group of Homo sapiens to roam to faraway regions. They moved their camps to different places according to seasonal camps. The, they harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered seasonal fruits and roots. They would find out the best seasons for fishing and use the knowledge to their advantage by observation. They discovered the best hunting grounds. For these reasons, they stayed in one place for a longer period. They cleared jungles by felling trees and set up their seasonal camps in the clearings. Village settlements, the way of life of the humans in the New Stone Age was completely different from that of the humans in the Old Stone Age and Middle Stone Age. During this period, humans became producer of food grains. The beginning of cultivation is a characteristic of the culture of a New Stone Age. In the hunting and gathering way of life, it is necessary to keep moving all the time. However, agriculture makes it possible to store food and use it all over a longer period. Hence, there is no need to keep moving constantly. Moreover, the nature of agriculture work make it necessary to stay in one place. Therefore, people established permanent village settlements and lived in them generations after generation. In the next lesson, we shall review the social organization and the culture of these settlements. Thank you.